Logan, can you show Mommy where the shapes go? Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Why don't you show me where you knocked Mommy over? You're not going to show me your puzzle right now? Go show me your puzzle. Go show me your puzzle. Oh,